Now, we do have some prerequisites for conducting Wi-Fi security tests, like having some hardware. But don't worry, these aren't expensive tools. It'll be enough to have a PC and a Wi-Fi USB adapter to complete this training. Now, the most important thing to watch out for when buying a USB Wi-Fi adapter is that it has monitor mode and allows you to inject packets. Now, based on our experience, we can say that the chipset of most of the Wi-Fi USB adapters sold on the market do not have these features. You can use one of the Wi-Fi adapters listed in the table during the tests. So in fact, we use the TP-Link TLWN722N high-gain wireless USB adapter as our hardware throughout the course. The TP-Link high-gain wireless USB adapter allows you to connect a computer to a wireless network and access a high-speed internet connection. It provides wireless speeds of up to 150 megabits per second. It is compliant with IEEE 802.11n and gives you a more robust wireless signal than existing wireless 802.11g technology can provide. It has the ability to reduce data loss over long distances and through obstacles in a small office or large apartment. And it automatically avoids channel conflicts using its clear channel assessment technology, and this is greatly enhancing our wireless performance. It also supports WPA, WPA2, as well as WEP encryptions to protect the wireless network efficiently. So to get better signal performance, the adapter's 4 dBi high-gain external antenna can be rotated and adjusted in different directions to fit various environments. The adapter has a quick security setup that allows you to almost instantly set up your security. Just by pressing the QSS button, it'll establish a WPA2 secure connection. So I'll use the TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter in this course, but of course there are other hardware and wireless auditing platforms for Wi-Fi pen testing that you can use for the course, like Pineapple and Fruity Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi Pineapple is a piece of hardware that was originally created for network penetration testing. Wi-Fi Pineapple allows pen testers to perform targeted man-in-the-middle attacks, advanced discovery, credential gathering, open source intelligence gathering, and more with a web interface. Now, Fruity Wi-Fi is an open source tool to audit wireless networks. It allows the user to deploy advanced attacks by directly using the web interface or by sending messages to it. Initially, the application was created to be used with Raspberry Pi, but it can also be installed on any Debian-based system. Now, I am true to my word when I say that I'll be using lots of tools for attacking Wi-Fi networks. You might be familiar with some of these as they are the most often used. Some of them are the more advanced tools for Wi-Fi pen testing. So what we like to do is use a bunch of different tools, in fact, using as many different tools as possible for different attack scenarios, thereby introducing you to how to use each one of them, including the ones that you know, and hopefully introduce you to a whole bunch more that you haven't even heard of before. We'll explain all this in detail shortly, but I just want to let you know that we will be installing the tools before using them in the upcoming lectures. So we're not going to install all of them when we set up our laboratory. So here we're going to use AirCrack NG. And AirCrack NG consists of a detector, a packet sniffer, WEP, and WPA, WPA2-PSK crack and analysis. It includes Airmon NG, AirPlay NG, AeroDump NG, Airbase NG, and PacketForge NG. Sounds like fun, huh? Yes, we're going to be using all these tools. Wi-Fi TE. Now, Wi-Fi TE runs existing wireless auditing tools. Wi-Fi TE is designed to use all known methods such as WPS pin attack, WPA handshake capture, as well as web attacks. BetterCap. Now, BetterCap is a powerful, flexible, and portable tool created to perform various types of man-in-the-middle attacks against a network, manipulate HTTP, HTTPS, and TCP traffic in real time, sniff for credentials, and so much more. Fluxion. So Fluxion is a security auditing and social engineering research tool. It attempts to retrieve the WPA2 key from a target access point by means of a social engineering attack. You might know that as phishing. Hashcat. So Hashcat is a type of hacking tool, and it's a password cracker specifically. It was created to be able to hack the most complex passwords, targeting multiple aspects of coding simultaneously. But what we're going to be using Hashcat for is for cracking WPA2 by using GPU in this course. Here's a favorite, Wi-Fi Pumpkin. Now, the Wi-Fi Pumpkin is a rogue access point framework. It'll easily create fake networks, all while forwarding legitimate traffic to and from the unsuspecting target. We're going to use something called Kismet. Kismet is a wireless network and device detector. It's a sniffer, and it's a war-driving tool. And CompTIA. So CompTIA is a C-based tool for running a brute force dictionary attack against WPA keys. Now, hopefully you're as excited as I am because this is some very rich content, yeah? So why don't we just get started? We'll set up the laboratory next.